here we go. We've got a little mock-up done. I've gone ahead and worked on the interior tub and just some fitting of the chassis to see how everything looks so far. So far so good. The grill was kind of hard to get into place. I'm still unsure about these gaps. Let me get something to point with. Let's try my scissors here. Right in here on that front valance. Really nothing is said about that, so I'll have to look and see about placing the front bumper and how that goes in. Everything seems to be fitting okay. The interior tub looks like it's going in well. Little gap down at the bottom once the chassis floor pan assembly is in place. But see if I can get that snap back in there. Everything seems to be fitting well, so hopefully I won't have any issues with that. Everything looks to be going good. Slight gap back and forth. I'll just have to see how that works out once I start gluing everything in place. I'll have to adjust accordingly. So that's where we're at with the update on it. The body's clean and ready for paint. So we'll see you back here in just a little bit after we add some color. Okay, here we are getting ready to get to my handy dandy paint booth back here, and my car paint stand, my car paint coffee creamer stand. Beautiful day outside. Got the birds and the bees and all the insects are out here chirping, so let's get ready to add a coat of paint. Okay, so here we go. We got a coat of paint on. Everything's looking good. We'll let that go ahead and dry up. Try to get a 360 view. This creamer coffee can has worked out well. As my little paint stand and my handy dandy paint booth. So there we go. We got the color on, and next we'll be turning our attention to putting the chassis together and the interior tub. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next update. Take care. Have a blessed day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief.